Hey, it's us. We're gonna go look at McKenzie Street in Thunder Bay. Here you go, Travis. Turn this over. Oh, where's all those good holes in this street? Nice and smooth. Yeah. Where's these holes? Is this a hole?
Something.
Oh, that's just a little bump. That's not a hole. Well, a car coming behind you can blow the horn again. Look, they're cracked up roads. No roads. Here's a hole and a half. Look at that. Oh my God. See that? Whoa. Look at these holes. Point at that. Oh, look at the holes. Pretty rough. Pretty rough. Oh, here comes a car. They want to fall in the hole. These guys go by because they want to run through the hole. Go faster. Go faster. You might find the hole here. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Let's go around. This is like a ditch. Okay?
It's focusing on the rain on the windshield.
Oh, okay. Oh, no.
There.
Nice roads. We should nominate this road for CAA's bad roads, and it is bad. They're all bad in this town. Thunder Bay, Pothole City. Right? Roads are all off kilter, off angle. Big cracks and everything, bouncing all over the place. Street or whatever. Okay, you can shut her off.